This is the story of Juan and the tacos.
We will tell you the story of Juan and the tacos. One day, Juan decided to go to his favorite restaurant, and when he saw some delicious tacos, his sensory neurons contained in the perihepatic nervous system detect how good the tacos looked. Then his motor neurons act on his salivary glands. A signal is sent to the Juan's brains, primary salivary centers, and the medulla oblongata. The brain releases neurotransmitters such as acetylcholine and norepinephrine, telling the glands to produce saliva. He immediately wanted to try one of those spectacular tacos, the best ones in the city, they said. The message is sent to his spinal cord and then to the brain. After that, the neurons act and then the motor neurons. He sat down and ordered 3 of them with his hand. They asked him, "Do you wish me to put some salsa in your taco?" He answered, "Oh no, but bring me a ton of salsa outside my plate." He was ready to try it. They arrived and he tried them. But something was missing. He saw the salsa and poured all of the glass of salsa in the tacos. He gave it a bite and
Immediately felt his tongue was burning. Well, this happened because certain compounds in the spicy food activates the type of sensory neurons called polymoral nociceptors that are activated by extreme heat. So when you eat a chili pepper, your mouth feels like it's burning because your brain actually thinks it's burning. The hot pepper tricked Juan's brain into thinking his mouth was on fire. The peppers have a chemical called capsaicin. Capsaicin binds to pain receptors on our nerves called TRPV1 and reacts to the heat by sending warning signals to our brain. Capsaicin causes TRPV1 to send those same signals to our brain, so you react that there is something hot in your mouth and your body is trying to cool off. The response of this situation, Juan's body thinks it's in contact with a dangerous heat source, and he reacts accordingly. That's why he starts sweating and his heartbeat starts going faster. Peppers have elicited the same fight or flight response in which your body reacts to most threats, and his autonomic nervous system controls his sweating function. The sweating comes through ducts in your skin. There are special tissue damaged sensory nerve cells called nociceptors fire and send signals to the spinal cord and then up to your brain. The processing work gets done by cells called neurons and glia. And brain superhighway carry information as electrical impulses to one area to another one.
The superhighway that carries the information from the spinal cord to the brain is the autosensing pathway that ends in the cortex. That is a part of the brain that decides what to do with the pain signals. The brain also has to cope with these pain signals, so the motor pathway are activated, so we can get away from the situation that hurt us. And in the case of Juan, they will make him to stop to eating the tacos. Modulation networks are also activated and release endorphins, dopamine, and enkephalins, and this chemical system help to reduce and regulate the pain. And these hormones create euphoria similar to the runner's high. As a conclusion, Juan will not add too much spicy sauce to his tacos the next time, and we were able to relate how our body works as a perfect factory, and we also learn how when we perceive something with the sense, there are a lot of actions that are the result of that perception. For example, in the history, all starts with the perception of how delicious the tacos looks, and it ended with the release of hormones to reduce the pain. Our brain and nervous systems are crucial to carry out our daily actions, and they are the ones who make sure that actions occur correctly and following a nervous pathway. Thank you.